Okay, we're just going to pop in the wall tie here now for the insulation. Simple wall tie, has a drip on it and a fly to hold the insulation in place. Just going to pop down there. Our drip there is sitting just inside the external leaf, and the flight back ties up against the insulation, and we want to pop these in. We're putting them in at every 600, so it's about two wall ties to every sheet of insulation, around 600 millimeters apart, and the drip directly behind the outside leaf. Now we're just coming to a door here now, regulation the wall tie 150 back from the door. I'm just going to pop that one in there, 150 back. And just to strengthen up at the door jambs here, a second wall tie directly beside that, again, just to strengthen up at the door jambs.